Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and this is just going to be a quick update video today because Ethereum hasn't done all that much over the past one day. So let's get straight into the charts. And what we have right here is the 12-hour Ethereum chart. And of course, we've just seen another retest of this level of support, which is sitting at just underneath 2,500. And this level of resistance is coming in at around 2.8 to 2.9 thousand. And obviously, we also have the same symmetrical triangle pattern showing in the 12-hour Ethereum RSI. And basically, the price of Ethereum will not flip overly bullish or overly bearish until we either break below support or above resistance, because those 2 points that I just mentioned are the points of control for Ethereum, meaning that if we break above this point of resistance, then the bulls are back into control. But obviously, if we break this point of support, then the bears are back in control. So that is why I would be paying close attention to this level of support and this level of resistance that I just mentioned. And also, when we see Ethereum either break support or resistance, we also need to see the price oscillators, for example, the RSI, trend in the same direction as the break in the price action in order to further confirm the break of that significant level. But if you're wondering about the shorter term day-to-day Ethereum price action, as I've been letting you know about over the past 4 days in a row, the price of Ethereum in the shorter term, the day-to-day price action, is simply more likely to play out more sideways price action. Because if you're looking in the 12-hour Ethereum price oscillators, the RSI, first of all, is basically just trending sideways. But more importantly, we have almost no momentum at all in the 12-hour Ethereum MACD, and that has been the case over the past 4 to 5 days, which is why I have been letting you know for the past 4 days that we are more likely to play out sideways price action than anything else in the shorter term. But for some reason, recently I've been getting some negative comments complaining about the sideways price action actually playing out. And so for those people, if I let you know that we're most likely going to play out some sideways price action in the shorter term, and then we go on to see the sideways price action as expected, I don't know how else to help you. But anyway, if we're zooming out to the daily Ethereum chart, we still have this possible falling wedge pattern that is currently forming on the chart. And this line of support is coming in at around 2.4k approximately, and this line of resistance is currently coming in at around 2.8k. And the technical price target for a falling wedge pattern is towards the top of the wedge, currently coming in at around 3.2 to 3.3 thousand. But I want to make it clear that that price target only comes into play after we see a confirmed breakout above this point of resistance. So as of right now, this is just a pattern to be aware of on the chart. And something else to be aware of on the Ethereum chart is over here on the 3-day time frame, and that is of course this market hedge ratio indicator, which is still flashing a green signal, a bullish signal. I covered this indicator in more detail in my videos yesterday on the channel, so if you missed those videos, definitely check them out. But in case you're new to the channel, all you need to know about this indicator is the fact that the green within this indicator are bullish signals, and of course the red are the bearish signals. And if you're looking at all of the bullish signals and also all of the bearish signals that we've seen over the past couple years throughout Ethereum's history, pretty much all of these signals over the past couple years have been very accurate. Now, it's worth mentioning that some of these signals play out better than others. For example, the bearish signal that we saw in the first week of May 2021 was a great bearish signal, and also the bearish signal that we saw in early November 2021, that was also a pretty good bearish signal. But then if you're looking at February last year, we did play out some bearish price action after seeing those bearish signals, but that bearish price action only lasted for around 1 to 2 weeks before we continued up again. But obviously, because of the fact that we did see some bearish price action over the next couple weeks after seeing those bearish signals, that was still an accurate signal. So technically speaking, according to this indicator on this 3-day time frame, and according to years worth of Ethereum history, right now, technically speaking, on the larger time frames, we are leaning slightly more bullish than bearish. But I want to make it clear that we still need to see a confirmed break above this point of resistance at the very least in order to confirm a further recovery back to the upside. And of course, the 3-day Ethereum price oscillators are technically more bullish than they are bearish. For example, the 3-day RSI is technically forming higher highs and higher lows, so that is technically an uptrend. And looking in the 3-day Ethereum MACD, right now the histogram is sitting in the green, but keep in mind we are seeing almost no momentum here, which is one of the reasons why we have been ranging somewhat sideways for the past couple months. So in order for some of these larger bullish signals on the 3-day Ethereum chart to carry over to the Ethereum price action, we must see more bullish momentum start building in the 3-day MACD, which we are currently not seeing at the time of filming this video. And if you're taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance on the daily time frame, right now we're technically still trending to the upside here, which is basically the opposite of an altcoin season, which means right now, while the Bitcoin dominance is trending to the upside, Bitcoin itself is outperforming the majority of the altcoin market. And then of course, an altcoin season is when we see a major downtrend in the Bitcoin dominance. Now, we do have a bit of a bearish divergence here on the daily time frame for the Bitcoin dominance, but keep in mind, this has not taken effect just yet, yet, we are still technically trending to the upside. So like I said, while this is happening, the altcoins are not doing all that great, at least on average compared to Bitcoin. But anyway, if you found this video useful or simply enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And of course, it is completely for free. And before you click off, you might as well check out one of these uploads popping up right here, because both of these videos show you ways to make money in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.